Hello guys, today we're gonna be making a flare bomb. Okay, so here's what you'll need. Scissors, matches, about 9 or 10, and some foil, aluminum foil. Oh, and don't forget the glue gun. I just have it over there because I can't reach all the way over there. Okay, so let's get started. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab your first match, and you're gonna cut it to about to halfway. Like that. Oh crap, it's hot. And then you're gonna grab your other leftover matches, because I said 9 or 10, and you're gonna cut them way smaller than the one you just cut in half. Like that. Okay, the next part is, at the end of the match you cut in half, I'm gonna grab a glue gun, get it on one side right here, and you're gonna do that the whole way. Okay, I'm just gonna fast forward this. It's gonna look like this when you have all four corners of it. So what you're gonna do with the other matches, and right here in these corners right here, you're gonna grab your glue gun and you're gonna place it right there. You're gonna grab your piece of match and you're gonna put it right next to that, like that. I'm gonna fast forward it so you can see and be way faster. Okay, so it's gonna look like this after you put your second round of matches. It's gonna be a 3x3, which adds up to 8 on each, 8 for the bottom. So what you're gonna do now is grab some aluminum foil. Wait a minute. You're gonna grab a small square. Not too big and not too small. Like about that big. You're gonna glue the whole bottom like that, and place it in the middle of the thing. These sides have to be pointing like this side, smooth side. Okay, so we're gonna do next is just fold these things up. Don't cover it all the way yet. Like that. So then you're gonna, don't cut it all the way, you're gonna cut just a bit of it. Look at that. Cut these sides off. And don't let there be anything like on top like this that could cut, because if it's covered, it's not. And then you're gonna fold the parts down like that, so it doesn't touch the matches on right here on top. Sorry for the noise. My dad's at work and I'm with him, so yeah. He's doing a milkshake for somebody. Okay, and there you have it, your very own flare bomb. So I'm gonna go test it outside right now. Okay, so what we're gonna do is you're gonna have a matchbox like this one, and you're just gonna scratch it on here. And there you have it, folks. Please like and subscribe.